How to log in into your CIBC Costco Mastercard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your CIBC Costco Mastercard. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up any web browser and simply search for CIBC Costco Mastercard login. After you search for it, hit enter and you should see CIBC login banking, online banking. You will see it right here and you will see sign on option 2. Simply hit enter and this link should open up. Here you will see sign on using your CIBC card number. Now what you'll need to do here is simply type in your card number and type in your password. Now your password will be case sensitive, so just remember that. And after you're done, you can simply tap on sign on and you're logged in. Now, if you have forgotten your password, there is an option to reset your password as well. And if you do not have an account, there is an option to register as well. Also, if you do not want to keep on logging in every time you visit this site, there is an option to remember your card number as well. So you can tick that on too. And yeah, that is basically how you log in into your CIBC card. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.